My name is Kgosile Tlhape. I'm the Executive Director of the Stop HIV campaign, Stick to One Partner. Do you know that by tomorrow, when you take this taxi ride, 1,000 South Africans will have died from HIV. More importantly, 1,600 South Africans will be infected by tomorrow. Which are you going to be? Are you sexually active? Do you stick to one partner? It is your choice, and it can save your life. Please, if you are sexually active, stick to one partner and make sure your partner only sticks to you. Don't be part of the statistics of tomorrow. We are from the Stick to One Partner campaign, Stop HIV, and the Tshepang Trust. Have a good journey, and I hope tomorrow you'll still be smiling.